Hey everyone! Welcome back to the NerdsClub YouTube channel. Today, we're gonna check out how you can install third-party watch faces on the Amazfit Bip 6 Active 2. And yeah, the same method actually works for a bunch of other Amazfit devices too. It's supported on both Android and iOS, so no worries there. Alright, so without wasting time, let's go ahead and download a watch face first. Open any browser, I'm using Via in my case, and just search Amazfit watch faces on Google. Tap on the first link you see. And yeah, by the way, I've also added the link in the video description below, so you can just go from there too. Now once you're on the site, tap on the hamburger icon. That's the 3 lines on the top left. Choose your watch model. For me, it's from the Bip series. Then, select Fresh from the list. Now hit the little filter icon. And yeah, again, select your exact model. Scroll through and pick any watch face you like. I mean, totally your call. Once you find one you love, just tap on it. And then hit the download button. Now here's the important part. When the pop-up shows up, don't go for the purple buttons, okay? Instead, tap on the small blue QR code icon. It'll show you a QR code, just screenshot it or save it to your gallery. Cool? Alright, now let's head over to the Zepp App. Before we install anything, we first need to enable developer mode. So click on your profile icon on the top right, scroll down to Settings, then go to About. Now you'll see the Zepp logo. Tap on that a bunch of times until a pop-up says Developer Mode Enabled. Nice! Now go back to the home screen of the Zepp app and tap the Device tab at the bottom right. Scroll down to General, and you'll see the Developer Mode option there. Tap on that. Now on the top right, tap the little plus icon, choose Scan, and then again on the top right, tap Select. Now find and select the screenshot you took earlier of the QR code. Tap Choose, and then just wait a bit while it installs. And boom, there you go. Your custom watch face should now be on your watch. Super easy, right? So yeah, if this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. It honestly means a lot to us and helps the channel grow. Thanks a ton for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.